Today I am gonna teach you question number 2 part 6 of differentiation. Find dy by dx. It means we will differentiate with respect to x. First of all, we will make the equation easier, then we will differentiate. And how to make equation easier? We will combine the x term. And how to combine? We will take this term at this side. So what we will do, this term is multiplied by this term. So multiply term which is divided at one side, when we take in the other side, multiply term will be divided on the other side. So we will divide. Y is equal to x under root x square plus 4 divided by x square minus 1. Now now we can see that our equation becomes in the form of u by v, but these are also two terms, so we will make these two terms in one term. And how to make? If we write x square and under root, if we put, then it doesn't affect on our equation. How? Because under root value is 1 by 2 and x square 1 by 2 and 2 cancel x, so there is no effect on this equation by putting 2 and under root, but it will make our equation easier. So we will write these two under root in one under root, these two terms in one under root, x square, there is no sign between these two terms, so we will put multiply x square plus 4 and x square minus 1. Now we will multiply, but we will get under root x4 plus 4x square divided by x square minus 1. Now our equation becomes easier. Y is equal to under root x raised to power 4 plus 4x square divided by x square minus 1. Now our equation becomes in the form of u by v. We will apply quotient rule, and what is quotient rule? According to quotient rule, derivative of any two quotient variable is equal to v derivative of u minus u derivative of v whole divided by v square. Now we consider this term as u and we consider this term as v. Differentiate. We want to find the value of dy by dx. It means we will differentiate with respect to x. So here is variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. Now we'll put quotient rule. We consider this term as u and this term as v. So first of all we will write v. V is x square minus 1 derivative of u. U is under root x4 plus 4x square minus u. U is under root x4 plus 4x square derivative of v. V is x square minus 1 whole divided by v square. V is x square minus 1 square. Now x square minus 1 as it is, x square minus 1 as it is. Now we will apply powerful. According to powerful, derivative of any variable power is equal to x raised to power n is equal to t raised to, derivative of x raised to power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So n is 1 by 2, x is, we consider this term as whole as x, x4 plus 4x square is our x, n x n minus 1. Now we can see that this is not simple x, so again we will differentiate to make this term that so again we will differentiate of this term, x4 plus 4x square. Now minus under root x4 plus 4x square as it is. Now we will take derivative of this term. Derivative of x square is, according to power rule, n is 2, x is simple, n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so don't need to write here. And derivative of minus 1 is 0. Derivative of any constant is minus 1 is 0, so there is no need to write 0. X square minus 1 whole square as it is equal to, now x square minus 1 by 2 x4 plus 4x square, 1 by 2 minus 1 becomes minus 1 by 2. Now derivative of x4, here we apply power rule. According to power rule, what we will get, n is 4, x n minus 4 minus 1, n is 4, 4 minus 1 3. Now plus 4 is constant, 4 is coefficient, and x square, we will apply derivative on x square. X square, derivative of x square is 2x, and x 2 minus 1 becomes 1, minus 2x under root x4 plus 4x square whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square is equal to, now x square minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 when take in numerator and denominator, minus 1 by 2 becomes positive 1 by 2, and positive 1 by 2 becomes under root, because the value of under root is 1 by 2. So now we can see that 4 is common, so we'll take it outside. 4 is common, 4 and x is common, 4 x is common, so what is left, x square is left plus 2x is left. 2x under root x4 plus 4x square. Now we can see that whole is equal to whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now we can say 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2x is common from this whole term and from this whole term. So we will write 2x as common. What is left? X square minus 1 and x square plus 2x. This term is common, this term is left, and this term is left. Now minus this term is common and this term is left, x4 plus 4x square whole divided by, this term is divided by under root x4 plus 4x square whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now in the next step, this is one term, this is second term. Now we will take LCM of these two terms. LCM 2x, LCM is under root x4 plus 4x square. So again, first of all we will write, then we will take derivative, so we can understand easily this question. Whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now we will take LCM. x4 plus 4x square, denominator is divided by denominator, what we will get? 1. So this term as it is, so we multiply, what we will get? x4 plus 2x square minus x square becomes x square. This is only 2. I made a mistake. 2x is common, so 2x is common from this term and from this term, so no, so only 2x is common from this term. What we get? 2. Sorry, 4 is 4 ones are 4 and x is common, x square is left, and 4 is common and x is common, 2 is left. Now x square plus 2, x4 plus 2x square minus x square becomes x square minus 2. Now minus this, there is no term in denominator, so we will put 1. 1 is bigger term, is we will put bigger term up, and in the denominator we write 1. So when we will divide, but we will get this term. For example, if we get LCM is 20 and this term is 4, so we will divide. If this term is 20 and this term is 1, so what we will get? 20. And when we divide denominator by denominator, the answer we will get is multiplied by numerator. So when we divide this term by this term, we will get this term, and this term is multiplied by this term, under root x4 plus 4 x square whole square. 2x. For example, there is 3 by 20 minus and 4 by 20. For example, 4 by 10. If for example, if LCM is 20 is divided by 20, what we will get? 1 is multiplied by numerator. 20 is divided by 10, what we will get? 2. So answer we get multiplied. So when we will divide this term by this term, we will get this whole term, and this whole term is multiplied by numerator. So 1